Hi, Sensei users. Do you want to enable the automatic grade option in Sensei Quiz? When auto grade is enabled, all multiple choice, true or false, and gap fill questions are automatically graded. Also note that questions must have at least 1 point assigned in order to be eligible for auto grading. In order to set auto grading of quizzes attached to lessons in a course, go to Sensei All courses and click the Edit button for the course where you want to set auto grading. Now go to any lesson where you attached quiz. After that, click this lesson quiz heading. You will find an auto grade enable button on the right side of the widget. Just enable it and hit update or publish. That's it. Your quiz attached to that course will be graded automatically. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update for Sensei tutorials.